All right, so we have a 2018 GMC Sierra. Customer complaint is the wheel stud was cross-threaded. So we're in the process of removing this wheel stud and replacing it with a brand new one. So let's get to it. So this is a new stud we're about to install, so that we will get this customer back on the road. And here's a new, freshly installed wheel stud. 2018 GMC Sierra 4-wheel drive. All right, so these are vacuum assist brakes. So we're going to torque these brake caliper brackets to 170 foot-pounds. All right, so we're going to be torquing these wheels to 140 foot-pounds.